talk you through washing my short, blonde, 3B, 2C curly hair. So let's go. Normally I wash my hair every 5 to 7 days. It really depends on how my scalp's feeling. I'll normally start to see signs of frizz, my curls will start to drop out. So to start off, we're gonna get this soaking wet so we can get the cleanser going. So I'm gonna take our all curl cleanser and just take a little blob. And I'll always make sure to emulsify it in between my hands first, rather than just popping it straight onto your head. Now I've got fine hair, but I have a lot of fine hair. So if I just go straight in, the back bit of my hair is just not gonna get shampooed at all. So I really like to make sure that I'm always sectioning whilst I apply my shampoo. I'm really getting that lather at the roots. You'll notice I'm not really taking it down the lengths, because as I rinse it out, that's kind of going to wash away all of the product buildup that I've got on the lengths of my hair. Now let's give this a rinse. So I can feel my hair is super clean now, and I just want to add in some moisture. So we're going to go in with the all curl conditioner. Now I like to put on a lot of conditioner. I hate that feeling of when you're brushing your hair and there's just not enough slip. So I like to load it on. And then I'll take my favourite detangling brush and just go through. It's my absolute favourite way to detangle because there's just no pulling on your hair. The curls are popping back up. This product is just so hydrating for your curls, which is just so key to getting them as healthy as possible. So next up, I'm going to put my trusty microfiber towel on the top of my head. So I am quite literally just going to twist, pop it on, and then I'm going to go get myself ready, and then we can hop straight into styling. So next step, styling. My 3 products that I'm going to be using are the curl cream from Mega Hold and the misting bottle. Our main tip that we advise to avoid extra frizz is applying your products in the shower on soaking wet hair. So if it's that, like me, you prefer to do your products outside of the shower, sat down, all cozy, then this is a great alternative. So we're going to start off by taking the hair out of the towel, and then I'm just going to brush out my curls. So pretty similar to how I condition and cleanse, I like to section for styling as well. So if we section off first and clip. Now my hair dries really quickly, so this is definitely going to need to be sprayed down with the misting bottle. I know for some this might be a bit backwards, not doing it in the shower, but this is just what works for me, and all curls are different. So I'm probably going to take like a 5p size of curl cream for each section. So it's still a similar method, I'm just doing it out of the shower and in sections. Styling your hair in sections is perfect if you've got thick hair. You just want to make sure that you're not missing anything. I also like to brush through. As much as I appreciate that raking with my fingers is great, I'm a thorough person. So it's almost brushing through but also brush styling. So I'll take a section, brush up and out, up and out, up and out, and that way it's not sticking to the root and you're going to get a bit of extra volume as well. Like every curly girl, I'm going to scrunch, and you can see I'm getting some juicy, gorgeous curls. So let's go to the second section. Re-wet it. Again, a little 5p worth of curl cream. Brush and drop, brush and drop. So this is where you'll see that my curls start to change. So the bottom layer is really tight, really curly, and then it slowly starts to get wavier and wavier as you go up. And this is the infamous sound I feel like you always want to hear when you're styling your hair. The wetter the better. And then the top section. Exactly the same process. Wet, cream, brush, scrunch. So this typically will last for me for about 4 or 5 days. So I find putting in the extra effort is worth it. So last of my styling products is the Mega Hold gel. For me, when it comes to picking a gel, I want to make sure it's the strongest hold possible, and this is incredible. So let's add a couple of pumps. rub it between the hands with glaze and scrunch. I will try to avoid the root with this product because where we spent so long brushing it away from the root, I then don't want to weigh it down with the gel. I'm a big lover of a cast, so I want to have crunchy curls once I've diffused, and then I like to flip upside down. I'll get the front and the back. Moving your head around as much as possible is also going to add in lots of volume, so feel free to flip it around. So I'm a curly girl who colours her hair, so I want to protect my hair as much as possible. So I'm just going to give it a quick spritz of the Heat Protect before we go in and diffuse. Now I am a diffusing girl. I will put the settings on the hottest settings and either medium to high blast. I really like to pixie diffuse as well as it helps reduce frizz. So I'll take the hair, pop it into the bowl and then turn it on. And then to take the hair out, just turn the hairdryer off, uncap and move on to the next bit. 5 hours later and I think we are almost dry. So as you can see, I've been left with the classic crispy curl and we're gonna get rid. As they say, scrunch out the crunch. That's how I style my short blonde curly hair. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below if you want to see any more videos from me. Also head on over to our channel where you can see lots of other fun wash days. Bye!